So I hope you're as excited about what you've seen of the hoist already as we are. We think it's a great offering, and we're very excited to bring this offering to the U.S. market. So let's talk a little bit about the trolleys that I mentioned earlier. So in addition to the GS hoist offering, we have both motorized and manual trolleys. I'll start with a motorized version. They're basically the same whether they're manual or motorized in the way they're set up. We have multiple different size wheel plates, and we have multiple different size load bars to fit the size of the beam and the capacity. You'll also see if it's a motorized trolley, you'll have the motor over here, and you'll have the geared wheels on the motor side. And these all trolley components, all the trolleys are assembled, designed, manufactured in Germany. So again, you have that real high quality German design, German manufacturing, really, really great trolley. So if we move over here to the manual trolley, and the first thing you'll notice is this is a little bit smaller. As I mentioned, even with the motorized, we have different wheel plates based on different capacity. So with this one, notice this is a manual trolley, smaller load bars, and again, you can have different size load bars to get your beam, and then you would adjust the number of washers on each side before you bolt everything together to adjust for your beam width, and all that is specified in the manual for installation. And then if I want to show you a safety feature here, a built-in safety feature, every trolley wheel plate actually has a built-in drop lug. So every trolley has the drop lug on it. So on the very off chance that anything did happen with any of these wheels or your trolley, this drop lug would be there to make sure that that would not drop and cause a problem. So again, built-in drop lugs with every hoist, either motorized or manual. One thing I did want to show you as well is we talked about that double hole suspension plate. So with a trolley, this double hole suspension plate would fit together with your load bars. I've got this kind of half disassembled, but they would go back together like this. Put your spacers back on per your rail size, like so, and then your wheel plate would go back on. You put your bolts and washers, of course, on the outside, tighten everything down, and that would be the way your trolley would go together. So easy assembly, and then again, this would drop right in with those two pins like we talked about into your suspension plate on your trolley. So real easy assembly and quick change for your double hole, single hole, or hook mount suspension plates.